Hi! I was going to just go straight into a tutorial, but you know what, I thought let me just start from scratch, from absolutely no makeup. Right now I'm using natural daylight and the light is fast going, so I thought what would be a quick video to make while I take off my makeup. So I'm going to test out the MUA Pro Base Makeup Remover Stick. Yeah, my nails are so gross, oh my gosh, sorry. On the back, what does it say? Dissolving makeup remover. This fab balm gently dissolves all makeup, including waterproof formulas, leaving skin feeling clean and fresh. For best results, apply on damp skin and work into the skin. Remove with a clean, damp cloth. We're going to test this out and see what it do. I can't even get the plastic off. You just screw off the top. What is that? Oh, it's got like a plastic thing on top. It's got like a plastic cover on top. I don't think that was meant to happen. I don't have a sink nearby, so I'm gonna use primer water. I'm just using the Primark one. Alright, the skin is damp. It's just enough a bit of this. I'm just gonna start rubbing this in. Oh, this is gonna get so gross. I already know. Oh. Ooh, sexy. I'm just gonna massage what's on my skin, making sure that it's really gotten everywhere that it's needed to go. Okay, I'm going to take my wipe. Okay, it's not bad. Oh, this is working great. This is actually working a lot better than I thought. Wow. Wow. Do you know what? This actually worked a lot better than I thought it would. I'm impressed. The only thing is now it looks like this. Ew. So that's not cute. I'm just gonna wipe off the top. Because I'm OCD, I would just have to wipe the top of this every time I used it, because I just can't, I cannot leave makeup trapped on this and then use it again with a clear conscience the next time. No, I can't. In doing that, it's actually wiping off some of the product as well, so I'm not sure how long this is going to last me. Just screwing this all the way to the top. Oh, okay, there's a fair amount in there. There's a hefty amount of product in there. So, do you know what? I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at this at all. I think that worked really, really well, and not just for an MUA product, just as a general makeup remover. Like, this looks really, really good. This worked perfectly. Great. Alright now, MUA, I see you. Now I'm just not sure if I should put this cap back on top. Is that just for like first use, or I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna put it back. Okay. So yeah, that's the MUA Pro Base Makeup Remover Stick. Thumbs up from me. That worked beautifully. It doesn't have any fragrance to it. It felt very mild on the skin as well, which is good. So yeah, 2 thumbs up. So that was a pointless video. So I'll see you guys there. Bye. Mwah.